There are 2.6 million videos uploaded to YouTube every day. And unlike a regular blog post, content from YouTube tends to be more unique and engaging. People share their experience, their daily life, and opinions that reflect their personality. So if you want to make your blog post to be unique and stand out, YouTube is the best place to start. You might take inspiration from a YouTube video and then turn it into a blog post. And there are tons of benefits of turning existing YouTube videos into new blog posts. First, you can reach an audience who prefer reading over watching videos. A blog post can also be keyword rich, increasing the visibility on search engines. And this is not some random theory. Google will literally show your website in the Videos tab when your article has a video in it, even if the video wasn't yours. In fact, I have seen more and more blog posts featuring nothing but a YouTube video, and for some reason, they rank really well. Perhaps there is something to learn from it. Additionally, a traditional blog post is designed to be long-lasting. It might be updated and improved over time to stay relevant. And of course, it is always a good practice to have your brand or your products to be discoverable in two largest search engines, YouTube and Google. If you have lots of videos and wish to turn them into new blog posts, you don't need to rewrite them manually. Repurposing a YouTube video into a blog article isn't exactly smooth sailing. There are some wordings that need to be modified, and the whole process could take an entire day. Fortunately, we live in a new age of transformative AI where converting one type of content to another can be done within minutes. There are two free AI tools to repurpose any YouTube video into a blog post, and there is one custom method that I personally use, and it has some benefits to it. Your article might rank better when using this method. But let's talk about the first two AI tools first. Okay, so the first tool that I recommend is RyRob Video to Blog AI Converter. This is one of the most generous websites on the internet. This tool is completely free and you don't even have to create an account to use it. Just enter the video URL and then wait for it to generate the article. The article output is okay, not great, not terrible, and perhaps the only downside is the lack of settings and custom prompting. But if you just want to create a basic article, I think it is a decent place. The second tool that I recommend is Quso AI. This one requires you to sign up, but it gives slightly more control on how the article should be written. Perhaps the most unique feature from this platform is you can have a chat with the built-in AI model called Vidi to customize the article on the fly. It is quite interesting as you can modify the structure or style of the article based on what you need. The downside is the article tends to be shorter and the phrasing still feels robotic. But for a free tool, I really can't complain. Okay, these two tools are great, but the method that I'm about to show you is even better. It is completely free, it gives you more control over the output, and you can use any AI chatbot that you prefer. I will show you the prompt, the trick to get the video transcript, the easiest way to add pictures into the article, and some other tips and tricks that make the whole ordeal a lot easier. This method takes a bit more work, but the result would speak for itself. Okay, for the demonstration, I'm going to use a video that I published on my YouTube channel. It is about using AI to create visual content on a blog post. Now, open your preferred AI tool for creating content. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini, or even Meta AI. But I personally am a fan of Perplexity and will use it for this video. Access to the internet is optional, but if the AI chatbot that you are using can browse the internet, I recommend you to enable the feature. Then insert this prompt into the message field. Don't worry, I will put the prompt in the video description so you won't have to type them manually. By the way, feel free to customize the prompt to your liking. Okay, for the title, I will modify it a bit and use this new title. This is necessary as a lot of times titles for YouTube video need to be adapted for a blog post. And for the URL, well, this is the video URL. There is nothing to be changed. And for the transcript, we need to provide it manually. Because AI, at least for now, can only see the general info about the video like the title and description. But for the video transcript, not so much. To get the accurate video transcript, go to this website and insert your video URL. All the tools that I mentioned in this video are available in the video description. Once you receive the full transcript, copy and paste the transcript to your prompt. Okay, Perplexity has this habit of turning a long text into a separate text file. Not all AI chatbots will do this, but if it does, it's not really a big problem. The most important thing here is that it has the video transcript. If you have access to multiple AI models, select the best AI model that is suitable for writing. Right now, there are various AI models in Perplexity. I'm gonna go with GPT 4.5 as it is excellent at mimicking human emotion. But if you prefer a different AI model, feel free to use that. Now, once everything is done, you can send the prompt. Since we have provided the details like the title, video URL, and video transcript, AI should have a better understanding of the video. And therefore, the article will accurately reflect the content from the video. Although I think it is worth mentioning that sometimes the caption from YouTube wasn't always accurate. You might want to double check the result and make sure there is no weird name or phrasing. Inaccurate caption is quite common unfortunately, especially if the video was spoken by someone with an uncommon accent, like the video you're watching right now. Anyway, after the article has been created, you might copy and paste it to your website. Or you can use the Chrome extension Perplexity to transfer the content from Perplexity to your WordPress website. The article is almost complete, but it is always a good idea to add some visual elements. To start, let's add a featured image. The easiest path is just using the video's thumbnail. To get a YouTube thumbnail, you can use a YouTube thumbnail downloader tool, download a thumbnail, and then set it as a featured image. Alternatively, if you're using WordPress, a plugin like Automatic Feature Images from YouTube will assign a YouTube thumbnail as the featured image. If it detects a video in the article body, the thumbnail will be used as the article's featured image. It is quite convenient, especially if you expect yourself to do this task multiple times. Now, to add more images to the article body, you might either create new images or take a snapshot from the video. And I think the latter option is much better. My favorite tool for this task is a Chrome extension called Screenshot YouTube. You can navigate to a certain segment from a video and click screenshot to save that moment as an image file. And of course, that image can be inserted into your newly created article. This process is a lot quicker than remaking new images. Once it is done, feel free to add some complementary but important elements like internal or external links, CTA buttons, and tags or categories before publishing the article. These tasks often have to be done manually as most AI chatbots just can't do it. But SEO Writing AI, which is today's sponsor, can speed up the whole process. If you want an AI tool that can write a complete article with little human intervention, then SEO Writing AI would be the best choice. You can write a short or even a long-form article using some of the most powerful AI models like DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek version 3. And yes, these models can access the internet to gather the most up-to-date data. The article it generated looks and feels natural. It follows the best SEO writing practices. It uses simple grammar, lots of white spaces, and it automatically injects a relevant video, which we have discussed will improve your SEO. And if the paragraphs it created are not human enough to you, you can use the built-in article humanizer that, according to my test, seems to pass the AI detections with flying colors. You can create various types of content like a normal blog post, product roundups, Amazon lists, and how-to guides with a deep level of customization. And the articles can be posted directly to your WordPress website with a single click. But my favorite part is the brand voice feature. It can analyze your existing article and emulate the writing style. So the content that it generates will look and feel similar to your own writings. All these things combined will definitely make your article stand out in search engines. If you are interested, go to SEOwriting.ai and join to get 5 free articles every month. And if you want to access more advanced features, use the discount code NUSA25 to get a 25% discount. I'll put the link and the discount code in the video description, so be sure to check it out. So thank you for SEO Writing AI for sponsoring this video, and thanks to you for sticking to the end. Have a great day.